Welcome back to my channel, guys. Yeah, here's a little montage of all the little clips that we've had throughout the year so far. I hope you sit back and enjoy some of these clips. It's been really difficult filming some of them actually, because as you know, on the kayak is spinning around all over the place. Just want to say a massive thanks to everyone who's come out on the kayak so far out here on the west coast of Wales. We've had some wicked days out, we've had some really tough days out. Hardest years fishing in 5 years, I would say. Bass numbers are down. We have been finding a few. Managed to get a few clips on camera. So yeah, thanks to everyone who's come out so far this year in 2024. Halfway through the season now, into August. So here's part one of the annual montage of clips. I hope you enjoy. Well played, mate. Should we get a photo of that one as well? Let's get a photo, shall we? Here we are, matey. Top man.
We're gonna have fish for days.
Oh.
This is one of the worst bloody rats I think I've ever picked up.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been beaten up quite like that. There we go. Now he's behaving. Since I stuck my finger in his bum.
There's some awesome shots there, mate. Let me just
Oh gosh.
talk us through the fight then, Robbie.
There we go. So
How did it go?
we got a lovely wrasse and yeah, fairly gram sardine slider slow jig, just fishing it real slow on the bottom, little lifts, just sort of hovering it there and hanging. But I thought it was a big pollock to start with because it took some line when it initially ran.
Yeah.
But we turned it and yeah, lovely fish.
Yeah.
First Welsh wrasse.
Good stuff, mate.
Slipping back.
Happy days.
Wrong way.
Okay, we've got a good fish on for Colton here. He's battling again. He's already had one good fish here today.
Oh!
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's a big fish.
What, pollock?
Yeah, pollock.
You've come over the top as well, Tony. With the pedal. Whoa, whoa.
That wasn't very good.
Woo, we're fishing. Do you want a net there, Laurie?
Yeah, chuck it in.
Oh, shot. Banger, mate.
Yes.
Woohoo! bonkers, mate. Whoa! Yeah, mate. Yes, buddy. Yes! Well done, bud. That's a good one.
Holy shit! That's massive.
Get her up to the camera. We've got 20 seconds left on my SD card before the runs out. 12, 10. Yeah, mate. Yes! Banger! Oh, this is a better fish. Good fish. Oh, I've snapped my rod. This is mental. Paul! Good fish, buddy! Oh, I got bloody 2 rods out. This is mental. I got a good fish here, mate, and I've snapped my rod just now. Don't actually know what it is. I'm going to loosen my drag a little bit because this is mad. Better pollock. The fish is at the end of the rod. The fish actually snapped that then. Absolutely wild. There we are. Look at that, rod in the mouth. Absolutely mental. Brand new rod. How does that even happen? It shouldn't do. Never mind. We got a nice fish here. What am I gonna do here now? Let's get that phone away. That's some line out. Put my rod there. There we are. He's absolutely wolfed that, look. That's a nice fish there, see? £4. What did you have him on, Julian?
Sandio.
Savage gear. Savage gear.
Savage gear, yeah.
Cool, man. Nice.
That's a fish, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Oh, you cunt!
He's engulfed the lure. Savage gear sand eel. He's onto a fish here now. I guess it's a bass. It's coming up in the water, so that probably is a bass. First fish of the day for Lloyd. You've got your net just behind you, Lloyd, and you're right. This is a better fish. Nah, this is a bass. I'm almost certain. If you hold it with your left hand and grab your rod, grab that with your right. That's it. This is good stuff, Lloyd. This is a better fish. Get him up, I would. Get him up.
Yeah, man, go.
Get him up, get him up. This is a really good fish, Lloyd, okay? Lloyd, just keep him up and get him up while you can, okay? He's going to take you into that rock. Get him up if you can, Lloyd. This is a brilliant fish, I think. Yeah, that's it. Now he's up. That's it. That's the one, Lloyd. This is really good stuff, mate. Yeah, Lloyd, he's got his net. He's giving him a real good run for his money here now, Lloyd. This is wicked stuff, mate. We haven't seen him yet. I still don't know if it's a bass or a pollock. I think it's a pollock. Oh, it's a good one, isn't it? Yeah, that's a peach. Really good one. Yes, mate. That's the best. Whoa, 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 Lloyd. Lloyd. You Lloyd, mate. Lloyd. So Colton, run us through with that one, mate. How did that one go?
It pulled like hell.
Yeah,
It pulled
but
like hell.
it didn't feel like a big fish
No.
to start with, eh? And
Then it dug down.
it dug down, didn't it? Yeah, just keep him there for a sec. He'll need to get his energy back. But it didn't feel like a big fish to start with, and then obviously the rod. I seen your rod just buckle over, mate.
And it really kicked in.
Yeah.
And it went deep hard.
How are you retrieving that one then, mate? Down deep or fast or?
Down deep and just knocking it across the bottom slowly, lifting slowly. And mid retrieve, he swallowed it hard.
Yeah, banging. Absolutely epic stuff, Colton. Well done, buddy. Absolutely class. He's under the boat. He's just swimming away now. Can see him go. Yes, mate.
I'm landing with that.
Yes. Nice, Dave. Yeah. Yeah. Well done, bud. That's a keeper.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper
Wicked hit that was for Ryan, yeah? Yeah.
I get matrix. How much for pizza, stuffed crust? How much would you love it?
I never buy a pizza from a kebab, you see.
Dream a little dreamer.
Well done, buddy.
Night breezes seem to whisper
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill telecast spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
That's the fourth specimen of the day. Come on, get in there. Just a little bit more line, Rich. Nice one, brother.
Nice.
Sweet.
Well happy with that, mate.
Nice one, right?
3, 4 maybe? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice, mate. Top man. Well done, Bill. How's it going, son? Any action? What did you catch him on, Mo? There's a monster mackerel, isn't it? On the Amadite. Really big mackie, that. I'll get a couple of photos now in a sec as well.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a nice one, isn't he?
It's a good fish, isn't he?
Yeah. That is definitely a better fish. Mike is finally onto a good fish here. He's digging him hard. You can see from here. Well done, fella. Yeah, save the best till last, buddy. You got your net there, mate. Well done, fella. On the jig? Finally, there we are, mate. Lush. Brass of the year so far for Connor. Connor's onto a good fish here. Last fish of the day by the looks of things. You okay, Con? Bruiser or what? Oh yeah. I'll come round here, Con. That looks like a nice fish, mate. What we got? Oh yeah, definitely, mate. This is fucking too for a bruiser, mate. Yeah, boy. What's that? 6, 7? Oh, definitely 7. That's 8. That I would say. That's an 8. Isn't it? Lush, mate. Here we have it. Sand eel on the jig. Second one. Happy birthday, Michael! You got your net ready? Yeah, go. Tighten the drag a little bit, I would. Pick your fish up and I'll get a picture of that as well. Trouble, baby. Monster or? Yeah, oh, belter. Yeah. Slammer. Get your net ready. Get your net. Into the net. Go on, boy. Get in it. Woo! Happy birthday, mate.
Fucking hell.
I just had a knock just then. Oh, I got a fish. I've got a fish. Fish is just taking us out. We're on. So, bang, bang. Oh, that feels bassy. Fuck. That is bassy. I reckon it's a bass, Laurie. I got a good fish here. Yeah. What we got? Is he a pollock? Don't turn. Got a fish here. This is a pollock, I reckon. Yeah, pollock. Oh, proper diver. You want as well, Laurie? Oh yeah. Woohoo! First decent one of the year. Banger. Biggest bass of the year so far for myself. So many casts trying to get a fish like that. It's not even as absolute specimen or anything, but he's definitely 4.5, I'd say. Just fishing a Savage Gear sand eel, 15 grammer, which I bought today in County Sports Haverfordwest. Cheers, Connor, for supplying me with that. 15 gram, that's the lure just there. Savage Gear sand eel. Best shore pollock of the year so far. On the hammer-type jig. There's a lot of hours gone into that fish. What a beauty. I'm 40 feet up on a rock mark, which I've never fished before. I just came down to check it out. Managed to suss it out on the kayak. So yeah, hammer-dyke jig, 60 gram. New Savage Gear rod, SGS2. Shore jigging rod. 4,000 pen pursuit wheel. 30 pound braid. 28 pound leader. Oh, that was so tough. I think I got a bit of the footage on the GoPro, but man, what a scrap. I think I guessed it at 5.5, but it's definitely more like 7, I think. So yeah, what a fish. So yeah, lots of good clips in that montage there. Hope you enjoyed those. If you like the look of that, get in touch with my Facebook page or on my mobile number. All the details on the Facebook, Instagram page and website, catchandcook.co.uk. Come and have a crack at kayak fishing. Arguably the best way to fish the inshore waters for many reasons. Yeah, if you like what you've seen, get in touch, book a day. Hopefully we'll get out there. Thanks very much for watching, guys.